So I would highly recommend that you watch Khel Khel Mein also. Stree 2 though, yes, fantastic.
Of course.
Yeah.
You plan to, right?
I plan to, because
Yeah.
of some reasons I wasn't able to find time. But yeah, that's definitely something on my radar.
Yeah, but you were able to find time to watch Urfi's new
Oh
show.
yeah! This fucker, dude! So Urfi's new show it was
man.
Stree 2.
एक second,
You know,
one
एक
second.
How
second.
many episodes?
It's
How many
not
episodes?
called Urfi's show. It's called Follow कर लो यार.
Follow
Okay,
कर
give
लो
it the
यार.
respect it
And
deserves.
follow. तो उन्होंने सोचा अपने ये बंगला जो मुझे पसंद आया इसकी पेमेंट में यहाँ से निकलवा देता हूँ. तो उन्होंने 2.5 लाख रुपए एडवांस ले लिया और वो बंगले का काम वाम करवा लिया उन्होंने. ठीक है. उसके बाद जब उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो वो कहते अब ये क्या कर लिया मैंने.
Really?
या सो देन उन्होंने फर्स्ट हाफ तो करा बट सेकेंड हाफ में ही वाज लाइक मैं क्या करूंगा यार. ये तो एक और बहुत बड़ी कहानी है कि आधी फिल्म शूट होने के बाद ऑल्सो दे वर नॉट हैप्पी विद अमजद खान. दे वर लाइक कि हमें चेंज करना है, डैनी की डेट्स का वेट करो. अगेन दीज आर ऑल स्टोरीज दैट आई हैव हर्ड.
Tell us your favorite Salim Javed films or films from the 70s.
Oh, what is your favorite Salim Javed? इतना तो पूछ ही सकता हूँ.
So today we're going to be talking about two of the most legendary screenwriters of Hindi cinema.
This is not the beginning.
I'm getting to it.
This is so not we thought.
Yeah.
कि कैसे
What?
स्टार्ट होने वाला
This
है.
became too sober, dude.
देखिए बेटा, जब आप सलीम और जावेद की फिल्मों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उसमें ज़रूरी होता है कि सब चीज़ हो. उसमें सस्पेंस हो, उसमें इमोशन हो, उसमें कॉमेडी हो, उसमें ड्रामा हो, उसमें हॉरर हो. ये सब चीज़ें जब आप साथ में लेके चलते हैं तभी तो बनती है सलीम जावेद की फिल्म.
7 crore! I mean, it has to be an Amitabh line, right? After that. What else? Okay, that's what we're talking about primarily on this
Yes,
episode.
yeah.
The Salim and Javed documentary that I hope you guys have seen. If you haven't, please check it out.
Please
It
do
is
watch
very
it.
enjoyable.
Yes.
Welcome to Pop Conversation firstly. I'm Antarish Thakkar, joined by...
Snail Aneja.
And Abbas Momin.
And firstly, right off the bat, we will get to the Salim Javed documentary. Absolutely.
course,
There's
of course.
tons to talk about.
मैं
It's
डाल
very
दूंगा
interesting.
चैप्टर्स. कोई ना
Yes.
कोई मुझे मैसेज करेगा या कमेंट में लिखता
Yeah,
है.
so okay.
Chapter डाला करो.
Okay. Then coming to chapters, if quickly, this is a YouTube thing, okay? Please bear with us. Putting chapters is irritating as fuck. Okay? You know why? Because it takes at least an hour and a half of your day to do that. To put chapters. Because you have to first listen to the entire
Yeah.
episode as you're going and then forward karke then put chapters and then time codes. Oh man, it's a nightmare. Okay, cut that out. That wasn't interesting. I thought you were gonna go somewhere, more deeper. But you guys gave me nothing.
as we talk about chapters, subscribe कर लो पहले. Subscribe कर लो.
Subscribe करो सालो.
वो बहुत
Please.
जरूरी है भाई.
Before we get again to Salim Javed, we're gonna.
लाइक भी करो, शेयर भी करो,
हाँ,
ये भी दोनों
subscribe
चीजें
भी
करो.
करो.
Yeah.
और बेल आइकन भी दबा दो.
This is a new setup.
Yeah, new
Yeah.
studio.
New studio.
Nice, good.
New studio.
Yeah, this
अंतरिक्ष,
is ours now. We own this. We bought the studio, guys.
आपने जो वो
For
एक
you.
आखिरी सब्सक्राइब था उसी सब्सक्राइब से खरीद लिया हमने.
Correct. And another thing I'm celebrating today is my own personal channel just hit 1,000 subs today,
1,000 subscribers.
which is pretty cool, man.
Amazing, yes.
Pretty fucking
Yeah.
cool.
उस खुशी में इसने हम सबको कॉफी
Coffee भी
पिलाया
पिला
और वो
दी,
इसको
nice.
स्प्लिट वाइज पे नहीं डालेगा.
Yeah. Well, we'll see how this episode goes. There are a few things going around, man.
Yes.
One is Stree 2. Abbas, we haven't heard your thoughts on Stree 2.
Because I haven't watched it yet.
And
So
what
haven't
have
seen
you
it.
watched
Okay,
of us?
We also haven't yet talked about Khel Khel Mein,
Khel
which
Khel Mein,
Snehal and I
yes.
have seen. So I would highly recommend that you watch Khel Khel Mein also. Stree 2 though, yes, fantastic.
Of
Yeah,
course.
yeah.
Stree 2 तो देखनी है.
हाँ.
Yeah. You plan to, right?
I plan to, because of
Yeah.
some reasons I wasn't able to find time. But yeah, that's definitely something on my radar.
Yeah, but
Fair
you were able to find time to watch Urfi's new
Oh
show.
yeah! This fucker, dude! So Urfi's new show
This
it did was
man-
Stree 2.
एक second,
You know, one second.
How many episodes?
It's
How many
not
episodes?
called Urfi's show. It's called Follow कर लो यार.
Follow
Okay,
कर
give
लो
it the
यार.
respect it deserves.
And follow कर लो यार से याद है subscribe कर लो यार. Now come back to
हमें follow कर लो यार.
हमें follow कर लो.
Yeah, Urfi के नाम से.
जब से शो स्टार्ट किया मेरे फॉलोअर्स कम हो गए.
Really?
I swear, dude.
Oh, what the fuck,
I
dude?
started this show at 1331. I'm at 1323.
That's too many unfollows, eh?
Yeah, bro. 8
ऐसा क्या कर रहा है?
unfollows.
What is this happening?
4 people go
2
like
cents.
ये इस बंदे को रंग दे बसंती नहीं पसंद है, महाराजा नहीं पसंद है, ये साला उर्फी का शो देख
और भी recommend कर रहा है.
That's
Bro,
so great.
this man
That's so
actually
great.
said-
Recommend नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
इसने-
अबे यार.
इसने- हम लोग वो उलझ देख कर आए थे,
हाँ, हाँ,
ठीक है, एंड
हाँ.
उलझ में ये कह रहा है नहीं, आई वोंट रेकमेंड इट, वो मत देखो.
भाई उलझ संडास पिक्चर है यार.
गुलशन देवैया की पिक्चर को ये मना कर रहा है मत देखो, बट उर्फी का शो रेकमेंड कर रहा है भाई हमारा.
This guy, dude. This guy.
डिफेंड करूँ अब मैं?
हाँ प्लीज
Yeah.
प्लीज.
देखो महाराजा, रंग दे बसंती, उलझ,
हम्म.
ये सारी फिल्में ऐसी, इनको मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके देखना शुरू करता हूँ. ठीक है, रंग दे बसंती हमारे टाइम की बहुत दिग्गज फिल्म है, हर कोई ये. अब जब मैं उसको देखता हूँ मेरे को कुछ खामियां नजर आती हैं. महाराजा में मेरे को ऐसा था, वो विजय सेतुपति की फिल्म इतनी
Yeah,
एक्लेम्ड फिल्म है, ठीक है.
Yeah.
उलझ भी मैं गया था भाई. उर्फी का शो मैंने लगाया, मेरी -1 एक्सपेक्टेशन, तो मैं बोला कि क्या है ये, चलो देखते हैं. आई एम कंपेयरिंग इट टू इट्स ट्रैश. It is
yeah.
absolute reality TV trash.
She's very aware that she's trash, right?
It's very watchable. Urfi Javed is entertaining as fuck. How? And if you thought Urfi Javed is entertaining as fuck, you haven't met her family yet. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
What?
My
Her
girlfriend-
family is even more entertaining, dude.
my fiance also watched it in one
Yeah.
sitting.
तो
And,
भाई मैंने
yeah,
देखना
I
शुरू.
get it.
ईच एपिसोड 8 एपिसोड है मेरे ख्याल से. हर एपिसोड 35 से 40 मिनट के बीच का है.
Okay.
और भाई props to the people who made. I'm comparing it to this other reality show I saw, Moving In with Malaika. Okay.
वो तो अच्छा
Which
नहीं
is
था.
very. It's देखो.
How old was
हर-
that? That was a recent one.
That was like last year, I think.
हाँ, I remember
Okay,
it,
every
yeah.
reality show is fake. We know it's fake. अब वो उसमें तक आप फेकनेस को कितना एंटरटेनिंग बना सकते हो, ठीक है.
Yeah.
सो इट इज़ वेरी, फॉलो कर लो यार. अगर आपने ट्रेलर देखा होगा, इट्स वेरी मच अ टेक ऑन कीपिंग अप विद द कार्डाशियंस. इट्स उर्फी एंड 3 of her other sisters.
Okay.
बट भाई बहुत मजेदार है. और कुछ कुछ एपिसोड वो एक्चुअली ऐसी चीज़ है कि उसकी बहनें जो है, आई डिड नो दिस, बट हर सिस्टर्स आर ऑल्सो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, नॉट टू उर्फीज लेवल. बट देर इज वन एपिसोड जहाँ उनका झगड़ा होता है, क्योंकि उसकी जो एल्डर 2 सिस्टर्स हैं वो कहती हैं कि सारे लोग समझते हैं उर्फी हमारा खर्चा उठाती है, हम खुद का खर्चा उठाते हैं. ठीक है. इसमें पूरा एपिसोड है.
इसमें झगड़ा भी होता है.
हाँ, अबे झगड़ा यानी एपिक प्रोपोर्शन का झगड़ा भाई.
So is it a version of Keeping Up with the Kardashians?
That's one of the tracks.
Okay.
The other track is actually you should watch it for how influencers do marketing. कि उर्फी की यूएसपी क्या है कि वो अतरंगे कपड़े पहनती है, ठीक है. अब ये तो कॉमन फैक्ट है. शी इज लाइक कि हाँ मैं तो नंगापन दिखाने आई हूँ, मैं ये करूँगी, ठीक है. देर इज दिस थिंग स्टोरी लाइन विच गोज अप वेयर उर्फी इज लाइक कि ब्रांड्स मेरे पास सिर्फ इसलिए आते हैं कि वो चाहते हैं कि मैं उनका कपड़ा बनाऊँ. जैसे एक नूडल्स का ब्रांड आता है, उनको नूडल्स का ब्रांड चाहिए कि वो
Noodles पहने.
नूडल्स पहने.
हाँ.
ऑल्सो शी गिव्स यू अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ वेयर शी गेट्स हर ड्रेसेस मेड फ्रॉम एंड हु इज द पर्सन पीपल बिहाइंड इट. और वो नॉर्मल बैंड्रा के टेलर लोग हैं यार, मतलब ऐसे कोई फैंसी वो नहीं है, ठीक है.
Okay, wow.
तो वो कहती है कि मैं और करना चाहती हूँ. सब लोग मेरे को ड्रेस बोलते हैं. एक ब्रांड आता है,
So
बोलते
does she design her own clothes? Is that part of it?
हैं. I mean, they don't disclose it completely, but she ideates it,
Yeah.
and then someone else sits with her and
So
does it.
one of my friends was telling me the way she shot to fame was कि जो मॉडल लोग महंगा कपड़ा पहन के रैम्प वॉक वगैरह करते हैं,
Yeah.
जो डिजाइनर्स होते हैं, वो उनको रेप्लिकेट करती है इन
Affordable manner.
हाँ, मतलब हम लोग जैसे अफोर्ड कर पाए बेसिकली.
Okay. I mean, see, you have to. We are trolling you for the sake of it.
Yeah.
But we understand that, dude. Like, she has, in a way, made it by herself with whatever brand she made of her own. She made it of her own.
Yeah.
Fair.
Which
Yeah.
nobody can take that away from her.
That said, I'm not saying it is some high art.
Yeah, I get it. I fair.
ये वही
You're just saying
ये
that-
उन्हीं इंस्टिंक्ट्स को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है जो बिग बॉस देख के
You're
सेटिस्फाई
just
होती है,
saying that
ठीक
you
है.
would much rather watch Urfi than Stree 2, which I get. It's fair, yeah. It's okay. People are
और खेल में
और खेल में, yeah.
Then there is I'm not done. There is one of Urfi's sister's boyfriends is also her manager. So there is one storyline कि ये जो boyfriend / manager है वो थोड़ा शौकीन मिजाज का है. तो उर्फी हैज़ टू मेक श्योर दैट इट्स ऑल्सो हर सिस्टर्स बॉयफ्रेंड बट ऑल्सो हर मैनेजर. तो उसको थोड़ा लाइन में रखना पड़ता है. फिर वो 3 एपिसोड के लिए लखनऊ जाते हैं. उर्फी फ्रॉम लखनऊ, वेयर वी मीट हर मदर एंड वी फाइंड आउट दैट शी एक्चुअली कम्स फ्रॉम अ ब्रोकन होम. That part is actually, I thought it was genuinely well done because reality shows can be exploitative as well.
Sure.
But it actually handles that very carefully. बाकी देन इट्स योर रन ऑफ द मिल रियलिटी शो के फोन आया है कि उर्फी को आज अपीयरेंस करना है, ओ माय गॉड टाइम निकला जा रहा है, कैसे होगा ये वो, फिर वो एक ट्रक निकाल के अंधेरी में रैंप वॉक कर लेती है, बट देन एवरीबॉडी टॉक्स अबाउट इट एज इफ इट्स द ग्रेटेस्ट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, लाइक ओ माय गॉड.
जब वो आई थिंक जब वो रैंप वॉक हो रहा था तो उस टाइम मेरी गाड़ी वहां से क्रॉस कर रही थी क्योंकि शायद मैंने देखा है वो.
इट्स नियर वर्सोवा सोशल.
हाँ वो मैं भाई ब्रो आई वाज देयर. Am I there in the frame?
That'd be hilarious. Can someone slow down that frame and see if it goes?
Bro, because I saw the, so I was driving and वहाँ बहुत सारी भीड़, लाइटिंग ये सब था. Bro, वर्सोवा सोशल मेरे घर से 1 minute है.
हाँ तो
Yeah,
वही
yeah.
तो मैं घर जा रहा था एंड मैंने ना गाड़ी स्लो करी कि यहाँ पे ये क्या हो रहा है. एंड देन आई सॉ आई एम लाइक ओह इट्स उर्फी एंड देन आई ड्रोव.
तो उसमें ना वो उसने स्टोरी लाइन क्या बताई कि उसको कुछ रेड कारपेट वॉक करना है, बट एक दिन पहले वो कैंसिल कर देते हैं, उर्फी का इनवाइट वापस ले लेते हैं कि शी इज नॉट अ बिग इनफ सेलिब्रिटी. तो उर्फी कहती है मैं खुद अपने रेड कारपेट वॉक करके दिखा.
ये वही है जहाँ पे वो ब्लू कारपेट वॉक करते हैं.
Yes, yes.
Bro, I was there, bro. Now I'll watch it. कौन से एपिसोड में है ये?
6 या 7वां एपिसोड है. तो भाई टट्टी शो है, बट आप एक बार शुरू करोगे मेरे से नहीं रुका गया, मैं देखता चला गया.
इतना serious video. इसने
टट्टी वाला ने.
किस पिक्चर के लिए किया आज तक कभी नहीं.
Yeah, dude. He's never given this much leeway to a film ever.
I swear.
Fucking Rang De Basanti did not get, dude. Wow.
Rang De Basanti cannot impress Abbas, really. But Urfi क्या?
Why this is also not impressed me. I'm just saying it's like it's
No.
You can't
Urfi, if you stumble upon this episode, we have a fan here.
आ भी जाएगी अगर उसको बुलाएंगे तो. और उर्फी से ज्यादा इंटरटेनिंग में उसकी बहनें लगी.
Okay. Fair enough.
ये तो नहीं बोल सकते ना फिर उसकी बहनों को.
और उसका एक भाई भी है जो बहुत मुंहफट भाई है, who is like much younger to Urfi. I thought I was saying it's a very interesting collection of characters.
So enough about this show then. I think we've gone on
What
too
else?
long.
Salim Javed. Yeah, sure, let's talk.
No, I thought we were going to talk about a little bit of Khel Khel mein, then we went to this show.
Bro,
मैं क्या कर रही हूँ,
back.
पूछे जा रहा है.
एक second. We are talking about the greatest writers of Bollywood, and we start the show by
Talking about Urfi Javed.
follow कर ले.
हाँ, angry young man भी था.
Guys, there is Javed common in both these things. Remember. Talking about Khel Khel.
खेल
Yeah,
में.
tell
Yes.
me about that.
Okay. Firstly, a good Akshay ki film after a while.
So it's एक second मैं पहले ये clear कर दूं. All of us know it's a remake. Perfect Strangers करके एक फिल्म है,
Which is the highest number, like most
which
remade
holds
film.
the Guinness Book of World Record for the most number of remakes, which is 24.
Yeah,
Okay.
but the thing is,
It's a
don't
Tiger
let that
film.
discourage you,
Yeah.
because none of us have even heard of this movie. Have you seen Perfect Stranger
I've
Abbas?
heard about it, but I
Yeah,
haven't
but
seen
you know,
it.
haven't seen it.
So my boss at work has seen I think 3 versions of the same film.
Okay.
Like before this.
Like including Khel Khel mein, he's seen 3 versions of the same film. Sorry. So he was like कि they've Indianized it in a very good way.
Sure, yeah.
I haven't seen the original. किसी ने एक्चुअली कमेंट किया था हमारे पिछले एपिसोड पे कि वो भी देखना, अभी तक देखने का टाइम नहीं मिला है, बट उर्फी का शो देखने के बाद मैं जरूर वो देखूंगा.
Follow कर लो यार.
फॉलो
Please
कर लो
call it
यार,
by
सॉरी
today.
फॉलो कर लो यार. बट खेल खेल में is apparently according to my boss is a very good Indian rendition of the plot.
Yeah,
What
okay,
is
fair
the
enough.
plot? Like in a nutshell.
So basically the plot is that there are 4 couples in the beginning of the film and
Supposedly.
ये चार लड़के हैं जो आपस में दोस्त हैं और उन सब की वाइव्स हैं बेसिकली. ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया गया कि इन सबकी लाइव्स में प्रॉब्लम चल रही है मैरिड लाइफ में. एंड फरदीन खान जो है वो भी रिसेंटली डिवोर्स्ड है और वो एक और लड़की को डेट कर
That's
रहा
too much. Why going into so many details?
है. यार मैं कपल्स बता रहा था यार
you
उनको,
don't-
क्योंकि बाकी 3 मैरिड हैं और
Are
एक
we-
डेट कर रहा
Are we
है.
not supposed to know that Fardeen
I
Khan
mean,
is dating someone?
so you
No,
can,
we
but
are
you
supposed to
can.
know. तो
Okay.
स्टार्टिंग में बता देते हैं.
Yeah.
The twist comes after, but वो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली ये 4 कपल्स हैं. ये लोग अपने एक दोस्त की अक्षय कुमार के एक रिश्तेदार की शादी पे जाते हैं एंड ये लोग शादी के फंक्शंस अटेंड कर रहे हैं. रात को लाइक फंक्शन में थोड़ा बोर हो जाते हैं तो लाइक चलो हम सारे साथ में चिल करते हैं एंड दे गेट इनटू अ रूम टू चिल पार्टी ईट ड्रिंक. एंड वानी कपूर हु इज प्लेइंग अक्षय कुमार सेकेंड वाइफ, शी सेज कि चलो एक गेम खेलते हैं दैट वी ट्रस्ट. हम लोग सब एक दूसरे को ट्रस्ट करते हैं, हम लोग इतने सालों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, हम लोग कहते हैं कि हमारे अंदर कोई सीक्रेट्स नहीं है हमारे बीच में, तो एक गेम खेलते हैं. सारे अपना अपना फ़ोन टेबल के ऊपर रख देंगे और जो भी मैसेज आएगा, कॉल आएगा या
Mail
कुछ
आएगा,
भी होगा,
yeah.
मेल आएगा, वो हम सबके सामने आउट लाउड पढ़ेंगे और जिस बंदे को आ रहा है वो नहीं पढ़ेगा, दूसरे वाला बंदा पढ़ेगा. सो अब ये
It's like a
प्लॉट है.
thriller or what?
No, it's a
No,
comedy.
it's a comedy.
Okay. Uh-huh.
तो ये प्लॉट है. एंड देन व्हाट
But
unfolds.
it's comedy suspense.
Okay.
There is suspense, but the entire, for the most part, like
suspense.
the entire movie is suspense only. It's comedy suspense. Like what's gonna happen next? What is the relationship between these people? What is happening? It's that only.
कि
Yeah.
कहानी में सस्पेंस भी होना चाहिए, कॉमेडी भी होना चाहिए.
उतना सस्पेंस नहीं लगा मुझे
नहीं,
तो.
थोड़ा बहुत तो था for sure.
चलो.
So I have a few
but-
questions.
Okay, हाँ बोल.
So this movie released with Stree, right?
Yeah.
And I think we also
Good
wanted
movie,
to,
bad timing.
That's what I was. We were kind of going to talk about this. That I remember till now, even if like an Akshay Kumar release used to be an event. Okay.
वो तो
Even if it's like a film that doesn't get great reviews or whatever, it was like you were aware that
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar movie is releasing. यार ये तो completely overshadow हो गई Stree 2
Correct,
से,
100%.
and then it bombed also.
So
खेल खेल में
100%. So you know what, dude? I read today, this week, the second week, this movie, Khel Khel Mein, has seen 100% jump in sales.
अच्छा.
So there are two reasons to it. A,
सबने Stree देख ली.
सबने Stree टू
हाँ,
देख लिया.
exactly.
So अब किसी के पास फिल्म नहीं है देखने
And
की.
word of
Correct.
mouth of this is nice.
is nice.
Is
So
nice,
that's what. So जैसे आपने अभी अक्षय कुमार की बात करी, अक्षय कुमार की लास्ट दो फिल्म्स खेल खेल में एंड सरफिरा,
सरफिरा, yeah.
they are both good films.
तो देखे दोनों.
Yeah. So see, I get that both of them are remakes, and I firmly believe that the time of remakes
It's
धीरे
kind of
धीरे
done.
खत्म हो रहा है
Yeah, yeah.
because OTT राइज कर रहा है. अब जैसे रिसेंटली वी रेड द न्यूज की आमिर खान ने महाराजा के क्या कहते हैं उन्हें राइट्स जो हैं वो
महाराज.
एक्वायर
It's
महाराजा
Oh, that's
के राइट्स
महाराजा.
एक्वायर कर लिए हैं.
Okay.
ये
जो
विजय सेतुपति वाली?
सेतुपति वाली की.
Oh,
ठीक है,
not
ऐसा-
the Junaid Khan.
No, ऐसा सुनने में आया है.
Okay.
And he most probably will be like adding his touch to the film and playing Vijay Setupati's
Then we'll
character.
review and see if I like that or not. Yeah.
Okay, fair. ठीक है. So now the thing is that Netflix recently released this data that on their platform, Maharaja is the most viewed
watched.
film of
2024,
most
I think.
watched film of 2024.
Globally or India?
I think India only. So
That's pretty cool,
now
yeah.
the thing is, इतने लोगों ने जब देख लिया महाराजा, अब 1-2 साल बाद जब आमिर खान महाराजा का रीमेक लेकर आएगा, कितना ही अपना सस्पेंस ऐड कर लेगा उसके अंदर,
100%.
कितना ही ट्विस्ट डाल लेगा.
Agreed.
You'll still know what is happening, and I think that is exactly what
But
happened with Sarfira.
Also, I would have thought he would have learnt his lesson after Lal Singh Chaddha.
Forrest Gump. Yeah.
Don't remake fucking huge hit films. If you remake like a small film which didn't get maybe the due it deserved, as a film or something.
So I think Sarfira के साथ भी यही problem हुई. He picked a very successful film from the south.
Okay.
And उसको remake किया. Actually, the actor who plays the lead role in the original film, Surya, he also makes a cameo in Sarfira. End में उसका cameo है. The thing is, it's an official remake. And बावजूद उसके, क्योंकि लोगों ने वो देख रखी है, लोगों ने सरफिरा नहीं देखी, एंड इट्स अ गुड फिल्म. सेम आई थिंक अब ऑब्वियसली अक्षय कुमार का थोड़ा ऑडियंस को शायद सैचुरेशन आ गया या पता नहीं क्या हुआ है. आई डोंट बिलीव इन दिस कि सैचुरेशन आता है एक एक्टर का, पता नहीं क्यों. बट मुझे नहीं लगता, अगर इफ यू डिलीवरिंग गुड परफॉर्मेंसेज लाइक एज इन व्हेन इट कम्स, तो आई थिंक चलता. अब जैसे ओ माय गॉड
Phase है. I agree. It's a phase.
मुझे भी
only.
लगता है फेज है. देयर इज दिस huge
The phase has been going on for 3
Dude,
years almost.
Then
now.
I have a problem with this take, which is like
Yeah,
every
dude.
fucking YouTuber, whatever, कुछ भी कह लो. Okay, right now, this last 2 weeks especially, but it's been going on for like a few months. But last 2 weeks especially, everyone's making videos about, Akshay Kumar, is his career end? How will he make a comeback? Oh, this is the 4th film in a row, which is like a flop. This year, apparently, in 2024, Akshay Kumar is the only actor on whom producers in the industry have put like some 2,000 crores of rupees, like counting the budget of all the films combined, kind of thing. And there's no way that he'll make it back. Oh, his career's done, dude. There are like so many of these videos
वो
now.
अक्षय कुमार है.
Yeah, correct,
ठीक है.
dude. He'll be fine.
He's
and he'll be
Akshay
back.
Kumar, dude. And
He'll be back.
see, I understand. भाई जब शाहरुख का भी ऐसा फेज आ सकता है, ठीक है, जब वो फिल्म्स कर रहा था और वो नहीं चल रही थी. आई थिंक it was a string of 3-4 films that didn't work.
Yeah, Zero
Fan, जब हैरी मेट सेजल, उस पे तो आई थिंक इम्तियाज अली ने खुद कहा that I couldn't capitalize on शाहरुख्स stardom. तो उसकी इतनी फिल्म्स के बाद उसने चलो एक हाइटस लिया, उसके बाद पठान के साथ आया. People are now saying that Akshay should also follow the same formula,
Yeah, I was gonna
take
come
a
to
hiatus.
that Shahrukh actually did that for three years or 4 years. He didn't
Yeah.
show himself at
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
So then his comeback had more momentum.
Momentum.
Yeah.
Whereas Akshay doesn't seem to be slowing down for
So
anything.
that is one problem I do kind of agree with.
Yeah.
Okay, where I've heard other people also say this, and I think Jamie from Try and Refuse
Yeah.
talks about this repeatedly, where he says that the problem is not that Akshay Kumar is doing all these films. We love him doing these films.
Yeah.
It's that he has lost, or he's not able to contextualize why people are criticizing that he's doing so many films. It's that he just seems to be moving from project to project to project to project to project, not giving each project the time it might deserve. And because of that, he's like, मैं 4 पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ, प्रॉब्लम क्या है तुम लोग को? तो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं भाई, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Just make sure the projects you're working on firstly are good, and then you're giving it the due time or whatever process, or work on that character more
But
that it might deserve.
there's also this thing ना, ऐसा नहीं है ना कि अचानक से उसने अपना approach change किया. His approach was always the same.
But
That's
if
also
the
true.
approach is
That's
not
also
working,
true.
then you do need a change, right?
Yeah.
So I get it. So that's what I'm saying. So बड़े मियाँ छोटी मियाँ जैसी फिल्म को डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा मैं. वो थी खराब. मैं मतलब वो मूवी देख के पता लग रहा था कि बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मूवीज लाइक सरफेरा, मूवीज लाइक खेल खेल में, डूड खेल खेल में ही एक्चुअली मेक्स यू लाफ.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
Like there are
He gets some great laughs.
bro,
him
great
and Taapsee.
laughs.
Him and Taapsee do
Him and
so
Taapsee, yes. Taapsee is basically playing Taapsee.
Yeah.
Like the
But so well, dude.
and she's done it so
Yeah.
well. Like like a Punjabi woman, she's playing that. Punjabi में बात कर रही है. She's
Yeah.
playing Amy Wirk's wife.
Okay.
She's done a great job.
Punjabi woman.
Yeah, she's playing a Punjabi woman.
Great. She's spot on.
She's
dude.
spot
Great.
on with that.
So
And
good.
there are so many scenes where you can't stop your laughter.
Yeah.
मैं खेल खेल में देखने गया था. Theater was actually packed. And I went for
Yeah,
like
mine
an
was also-
11:45
mine
PM
was,
show.
Yeah, mine was also next to full. You're right.
So
Yeah.
मुझे यही लग रहा है कि अब now that Stree 2 सबने देख लिया है. Now there are no big releases for the next two weeks. तो अभी कुछ री-रिलीजेस भी हो रहे हैं. तुम्बाड़ दोबारा रिलीज कर रहे हैं. गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर दोबारा रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Sholay, तू कह रहा
शोले
था?
तो
Sholay
it's
is
a one-off,
doing one
tribute.
screening
Yeah.
at the time we're recording on the
It must be
27th.
already sold out,
right?
dude.
No, so
No,
that's
it's
the
a free
thing.
thing.
It's a free first,
First
come
come,
first
first
serve. It's in Regal though, which is an 1100 seater, but I still feel like they'll still fill the theater. So,
Yeah, yeah.
There-
So yeah, we don't want to talk too much about it.
Yes.
Khel Khel Mein is a fantastic film, very fun, very casual, fun
Very
watching go with
casual,
family
yes.
also.
भाई 40 मिनट बात करने के बाद बोल रहे we don't want to talk too much about it.
राम रामायण खत्म.
So there's this thing that people call Akshay Kumar na, the comedy Kumar कहते हैं ना
yeah,
उसको. So I was hearing this review where someone was like कि the comedy Kumar is back. So like I think you can go and enjoy a couple of comedy Kumar
Yeah,
laughs
I would say. I absolutely
in the
agree.
film.
Let's move on.
Yes.
Yep.
वो तो नहीं, मैं हर बार ही बोलता हूँ move on वाली लाइन में कि वही तो नहीं हो पा रहा है.
भाई. Let's go ahead. Let's
Yes,
move. Let's
yes.
move forward.
Let's move forward.
वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा. Salim Javed.
Salim Javed.
The documentary.
The OGs.
The Angry Young Men.
The Angry Young Men.
Yes.
Yes, Abbas all about correct names.
Yeah, the
today.
names,
Shows.
Also on Amazon Prime, which
Yes.
is where Urfi documentary नहीं क्या
Oh,
reality
really?
show.
reality show.
Oh, okay.
Oh, हाँ, वो documentary
Also-
नहीं है ना उर्फी की.
Yeah,
वो-
but
हाँ,
it's,
reality show.
You know, Angry Young Man is also a reality show. If you think about it.
Reality
I-
show 40 years late.
Correct.
Sort of,
Absolutely.
yeah, हाँ.
What?
And
Dude,
2 episodes short.
You know, okay, firstly, it's made by Salman Khan Films, Excel Films, and Tiger Baby.
All the children
All
of
the
the
children.
two people, yeah.
And
They're like Happy Father's Day.
And the director is
Namrata Rao.
a woman named Namrata
Namrata
Rao.
Rao, yeah.
This is
Who,
her
by
first
the
directorial
way,
project, by the way.
she goes
Very cool.
by on Twitter and Instagram by the handle Alison Andheri. And
Okay.
that's where I knew her from, and I was like, oh, it's the same person. So
You
yeah.
knew her from before?
She was quite prominent on Twitter because
that's
she used
cool,
to tweet
man.
about movies and
Yeah.
all. And I think she was an editor before.
Yeah, she
this
was.
is her
She's edited
directorial debut.
something with Zoya, man. I forgot. They were talking about it in an interview that they did with Farah Khan promoting this show.
Oh, right. For the
they're talking
YouTube
about
channel.
that. I'm
yeah,
forgetting
yeah.
which one. But yeah, that's how they work.
उसमें उस पर बात करते हैं.
So then another one, but with them only together.
Yeah.
And that's how they're talking about how they, Namrata and Zoya got to working together.
Got to know.
I must say, dude, I did not know some like quite a bit of the things, but entirely fascinated by their journey, what they became, what they were able to accomplish. They were like the Beatles.
Yeah.
They were there for like whatever 10 years
Beatles
about
of screenwriting.
Exactly that, right?
Yeah.
There have not been stars like these in as screenwriters
Screenwriting,
before,
yeah.
like before or after them.
Yeah.
Which is kind of sad that the industry actually loves pushing writers down and not giving them the due credit or the praise or the You know,
Money.
like the recognition, the money,
The money.
that they
The
absolutely
money.
want. Yeah, dude, I wouldn't be surprised if the writers today are being paid the exact same what Salim Zadar being paid
Yeah,
then. Dude.
probably less.
उससे भी कम
Yeah, exactly right.
एक सेकेंड अगर 2 लाख रुपए अगर वो एक स्टोर नहीं मिल रहा है 2 लाख रुपए भाई नहीं मिल रहा है कहाँ मिल रहा है 2
नहीं
लाख
नहीं,
रुपए
depends on a movie. If you're writing for a movie, 2 lakh तो मिल रहा है bro, for sure.
Officially, yes.
हाँ,
But
on paper, yes.
I know of people from our fraternity, comedians / writers,
Yeah.
who do a lot of ghost writing for feature films and get paid anywhere between 30 to 50,000
ब्रो घोस्ट
rupees.
राइटिंग भाई मैं लिख रहा था मैं नाम वाम नहीं लूंगा किसके लिए क्या कैसे किधर भाई 7,500 रुपए 15 दिन का
There you go.
You were writing a movie?
या 7,500 रुपए 15 दिन का
मतलब 500 रुपए दिन का.
That is just troubling, dude. Total of 7,500. How much did they make you
15
work?
दिन का बोल तो रहा हूँ
But how much did they make you work? Like,
I think
what did
I-
you have to do? Like, what part did you have to? Like, you have to write a whole script, a whole,
या होल
whole scene. What are you writing?
सीन नहीं स्क्रिप्ट पूरा मैं लिख रहा
Start
था
to finish?
स्टार्ट टू फिनिश कोविड के चक्कर में फिर वो बंद हो गया वो प्रोजेक्ट मेरा बट क्वाइट लिटरली 7,500 रुपए 15 दिन का एंड दे वर एक्सपेक्टिंग मी टू कंप्लीट द फिल्म इन 30 days एंड आई वाज लाइक तुम 15,000 में मुझसे पूरा स्क्रिप्ट एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो स्टोरी का एंड दे वर लाइक यार डूड
राइटर्स की
has
हालत
the screen gone on
राइटर्स
floor?
की
No,
हालत
no, no.
इतनी खराब है ये कर भी रहा था वो.
मैं कर रहा था ब्रो एग्जैक्टली मैं कर रहा था
But then, you are the problem. you are spoiling the rate for other writers,
अरे
bro.
मैं नहीं भाई
But that's the thing. ये नहीं करे कोई और करे.
कोई और करेगा
हाँ,
That's the thing.
exactly.
Of
And
course,
the
I
thing
get
is, मैं अगर अब उस टाइम पे मैं जॉब स्टार्ट ही करी थी मैंने बिकॉज पैसे ही नहीं थे भाई सरवाइव करने के मुंबई में
No, I'm not. I'm
तो
just joking.
अब उसके साथ साथ में जो जहां से मिल रहा था मैं पिक कर रहा
Exactly,
था
yeah, yeah,
और
yeah.
एंड वहां राइटिंग इज नॉट समथिंग जो तुम सीवी लेके घूम सकते हो ना राइटिंग
Yeah.
का
Correct.
सो जो प्रोजेक्ट मिल रहा है जैसा मिल रहा है वो उठाओ और करो बट कोविड आ गया तो वो भी पाइपलाइन में ही चला गया बट या
So exactly.
7,500
What a sad state of affairs.
I
These
got
guys-
fascinated when Karan Johar says कि I'll put this in क्या कहते हैं prospect
पर्सपेक्टिव
कि आज के टाइम पे अगर कोई सलमान खान से ज्यादा पैसे मांगे
हाँ.
for writing
No,
a
no,
script
but let's give
the
these-
context is
yeah,
that
let's
Salim
give them
Javed
context.
said
कि
that
जितना भी अमिताभ ले रहा है
उससे 1 लाख ज्यादा
ज्यादा
लेंगे.
Wow.
तो करण जौहर ने कंपैरिजन के बोला आप बताइए आज कोई स्क्रीन राइटर बोल दे कि मैं सलमान खान से 2 करोड़ ज्यादा लूंगा तो कौन देगा.
You think he mentioned Shah Rukh Khan first, but they make him made into a retake? Hey, it's not that documentary today. It's not romantic.
बोर्ड पे रेड चिलीज दिख रहा है तेरे को
That's for sure that happened. 100%. How did that not happen first? Is beyond me.
So Salman and Karan apparently share a very good relationship.
Yeah.
It's
कुछ
just
होता है.
that कि उनकी पिक्चर जा नहीं रही है on floors.
That and I
तूने
think that's
देख
the only thing.
वो क्लिप देखा नहीं फोर्स्ड एट गन पॉइंट हु वुड यू हैव
You Karan, you. But I'm the guy.
Yeah. Again,
कोई
it's so
gun
problematic.
बनी नहीं.
Peak Salman. Peak Salman.
Agreed. So the documentary.
So you
yes.
loved it. You
I-
thought it was great.
It was great. There were some things that I would have wanted some more.
Like?
And there was one thing that actually took me out of it, which was it's all three production houses are involved:
Yeah, yeah.
Tiger Baby, Excel,
Excel.
and SK Films. But the name that comes, which I imagine must have handled all the actual production, is Excel Film, Excel Entertainment, because that's the name that comes at the thing, right? So
SKF भी आता है
Yeah, it's
SK
I
Salman
mean
Khan.
Salman and
नहीं
Salman
मैं
Khan
पूछ
and
नहीं रहा
Salman
बता
Khan.
रहा हूँ कि वो भी तो आता है
हाँ नहीं but finally the name that comes once the actual
Credit.
video has
हाँ.
started
Okay.
is Excel,
Excel, okay.
whatever documentary by Excel
समझ गया
something like
समझ
that.
गया ठीक है
So what they did, okay, every time they show a shot of Bombay, like the city, right? Whatever, like one of those stock shots of the city, the cars moving by, whatever.
C-Link.
Yeah, they use music which is like English modern music, which completely took me out of it multiple times. You guys know what I'm talking about? Do you
But
guys-
I
either of
guess
you notice this?
that was to compare and contrast today's Bombay to Bombay.
Was it that?
those
Because
days.
I feel like they could have easily used any song from a Salim
By
Zawar
Salim
film, but
Zawar film, yeah.
they would not. Like song rights and all these T-series and all are fucking anal about song rights, right? So they got all the footage rights, but song rights are so much more expensive, I imagine, that they just they didn't want to waste that money or afford it. They couldn't afford
Maybe I'm not
it.
sure.
Did you guys not notice this?
नहीं
So the way I perceive that is because like okay, it's a documentary about the 70s and Bollywood and all that, but it's also like a piece of modern filmmaking, right? So
Yeah,
you have
absolutely.
to make it little slick and something के attention रहे हमारा. So I guess it didn't catch my attention. Like
Okay,
catch
so
my-
I feel like we were entirely fully captivated. They didn't need this at all. I mean, I actually would have been more captivated had they suddenly like, well, they're showing shots of Bombay, someone eating a pan and khai ke
But yeah, now
pan
that you mention it, I am thinking ke Salim Javed films were also had some great music.
Excellent music.
But they didn't use that much of music. I think they just used Mehbooba or Mehbooba once.
Mehbooba,
Yeah, but they had a lot of great music.
Oh,
What did you think?
What do you think?
The
Yeah.
So
Angry Young Man?
I was not मतलब से अच्छी लगी मुझे ठीक है because I was listening to the stories but these are the stories that I've heard
Exactly.
number of times
Yes.
dude.
Sure,
ये
I get
कहानियां मैंने हर बार सुनी है बहुत बार सुनी है
यार,
ठीक है
हाँ।
तो आई थिंक व्हेन आई एम लुकिंग एट अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री ठीक है तो मैं वो चीजें ढूंढना चाह रहा हूँ उसमें जो शायद
हमको नहीं पता
जो
है.
हाँ जो सलीम साहब ने जो जावेद साहब ने स्टेज पे ऑन रैंडम टॉक शोज कॉन्वर्जेशंस इंटरव्यूज नहीं बोली हैं शायद
जैसे वो एक मोमेंट है वो जावेद अख्तर टॉक्स अबाउट दैट ब्रेकफास्ट.
The breakfast, yes.
जो आंखों में
Very,
आंसू
very,
जो
very,
आ
that was
very breaks
that
down
hit me,
also.
dude.
Yeah, dude.
That hit me
yes,
and the way he
yes.
said it.
क्या
कि
ये औकात है तेरी.
कि
yeah.
शायद किसी
Oh, I
और
just
के
got
हिस्से
chills
का
right
मैं
now,
गा
bro.
रहा
I just got chills right now.
So I
What a
was
thing.
looking for
So-
more such moments.
Yeah,
Like
हाँ.
कि वो एक ड्रंकर्ड को स्टेंसिल दे दिया और जाके नाम लिख दिया
What
dude,
an
वो
excellent
दोस्त
story.
वो but see
बहुत बार
excellent
report आ
story
चुकी है.
excellent
That they
story
tell everywhere,
but
yeah.
100 बार सुनी हुई story ठीक
Correct.
है like it could like sure it had to make the documentary
Yeah,
cut
absolutely.
but there are so many more stories I'm guessing because उसमें तो वही 4-5 stories है ना यार जैसे हाथी मेरे साथी की कहानी पता है आपको
नहीं.
आपको पता है हाथी मेरे साथी की कहानी
I had seen the film as a kid. But I
नहीं
don't
नहीं
remember
हाथी
at
मेरे
all.
साथी फिल्म की कहानी नहीं उसके
कैसे बनी?
पीछे की कहानी
No. नहीं.
सो हाथी मेरे साथी जब फिल्म बन रही थी
The elephant didn't want to act. So he was tantrum.
And they were like, "Oh, Salim Javed are writing it."
so exactly Salim Javed were not supposed to write it
हाँ.
so the thing is so Rajesh Khanna as all of us know
अब हाथी के ऊपर पिक्चर बनाएंगे हम.
so as you all know Rajesh Khanna was a very flamboyant
Superstar, yeah.
superstar person
Absolutely, yeah.
तो उनको जो उनका बंगला था कार्टर रोड पे वो उनको पसंद आ गया ठीक है उस टाइम उन्होंने
मतलब जब
खरीदा
तक-
नहीं
जब-
हुआ था
हाँ,
खरीदा
वही,
नहीं
हाँ,
हुआ था
हाँ.
4.5 लाख रुपए का बंगला था apparently according to a story that Javed Akhtar tells apparently in some of the in any one of the interviews where he says कि 4.5 लाख रुपए का बंगला था उन्होंने ये एक ऑलरेडी बनी हुई थी फिल्म उसके टीम ने उनको कांटेक्ट किया और उन्होंने बोला जो मुंह मांगी कीमत मांगूंगा वो दोगे तो मैं करता हूँ उन्होंने बोला ठीक है उन्होंने सोचा चलो
सलीम
नहीं
जावेद
राजेश
राजेश
खन्ना
खन्ना ने, अच्छा,
तो
okay.
उन्होंने सोचा अपने ये बंगला जो मुझे पसंद आया इसकी पेमेंट में यहाँ से निकलवा देता हूँ तो उन्होंने 2.5 लाख रुपए एडवांस ले लिया
Okay.
और वो बंगले का काम वाम करवा लिया उन्होंने ठीक है उसके बाद जब उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो वो कहते अब ये क्या कर लिया मैंने
Really?
या सो देन उन्होंने फर्स्ट हाफ तो करा बट सेकेंड हाफ में ही वाज लाइक मैं क्या करूंगा यार ये तो एंड जावेद अख्तर सेज दिस कि ही कॉन्टैक्टेड जावेद साहब एंड सेड कि डूड अगर मैं इसका सेकेंड हाफ करता हूँ तो ये इतना ऐसा है कि मैं पिक्चर में दोबारा कभी काम नहीं मिलेगा मुझे इंडस्ट्री में ये इतना खराब है तुम प्लीज इसको लो और इसको ठीक करो तो देन जावेद अख्तर took it to सलीम खान एंड देन दे रेड द स्क्रिप्ट देन दे मेट द ओरिजिनल लाइक जिन्होंने अप्रोच किया था दे वर लाइक कि हम इसमें सिर्फ 2 चीजें रखेंगे बाकी सब चेंज करेंगे अगर तुम्हें मंजूर है तो बताओ तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ ठीक है मंजूर है एंड दिस वाज द सेकंड फिल्म और थर्ड फिल्म ठीक है तो एंड इससे पहले सलीम जावेद इससे पहले अंदाज करी थी जो जिसमें राजेश खन्ना और हेमा मालिनी थे तो वहां से दे न्यू तो उन्होंने उनको बोला कि हम इसके 10,000 लेंगे 5,000 पर पर्सन ठीक है उनकी फीस भी बढ़ गई पैसा भी ज्यादा कमा लिया उन्होंने बोला सिर्फ 2 चीजें रखेंगे एक राजेश खन्ना दूसरा हाथी और कुछ नहीं एंड दे वर लाइक हाँ ठीक है डन एज लॉन्ग एज राजेश खन्ना इज डूइंग द फिल्म एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर टेकिंग इट ओवर जस्ट डू इट देन दे रोड हाथी मेरे साथी Rajesh Khanna was very happy with it and then they went ahead and shot
the film.
And
Rajesh Khanna got his bungalow.
yeah, and Rajesh Khanna got his bungalow. So अब ये एक ऐसी स्टोरी है जो जावेद अख्तर ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोली है बट उतनी कॉमन स्टोरी नहीं है जितनी कॉमन स्टोरी वो स्टेंसिल वाली स्टोरी है.
Do you think they cut a lot of this stuff because they had to fit in 3 episodes? Maybe they did record all these stories, right? Because again, I was watching interviews of Namrata Rao, and she was talking about they actually recorded like 5 hours with each person.
I'm
And,
sure.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, अभी वो पता नहीं मुझे editorial feedback
sure.
Amazon Prime का कितना था and क्या था, but See, for people, I understand that they have to make the documentary also appealing for normal people who are not
Who are
that
not-
into screenwriting or movies, right?
Or not that
हम
familiar
ऐसे
with-
लोग हैं, like I would have loved it if Salim and Javed they did like a film by film
Absolutely.
breakdown of every movie. yeah.
Another point of contention
Yeah.
is that they only got them together at the very end of the third episode.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Dude, seek them
They
both
got
together.
them together.
As
जब
in,
वो photo shoot ना end में
shoot के लिए
यार,
उन्होंने
कुछ-
साथ में तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं।
Exactly. Why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah.
The documentary is Salim, Javed, Angry Young Men. Put the men together, bro.
And famously, they are on good terms, right? Both
Yeah.
of them,
Yeah.
and the families also.
Oh,
Yes.
one of the most touching things I have seen of Salim Javed together is Razi Masan had done an interview. This was like one of the first interviews I think that they did together after since they broke up.
Okay.
They're coming together like after like 25 years or something like that. Some crazy shit. And Razi Masan was doing this interview like 6, 7, 10 years back or something. And talks about Rajiv asks them, because again Rajiv would ask these questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what then finally went down? Why did you guys break up after having 22 fucking mega hit films after
Yeah.
when you
22 out of 24.
ridiculous, dude.
Maths में नहीं आया नंबर मेरे.
So they, you know what Salim says? Salim says, and this is so touching. He says, "Ke actually, now that I look back, okay, I feel this was completely my fault, the breakup."
And then Javed Akhtar comes and अरे नहीं यार. he
हाँ,
comes,
exactly.
yeah.
Yes, you've seen this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So he says, "के अरे नहीं यार, क्या बात कर?" Okay, and he says, "No, you're embarrassing me." Javed says, "नहीं, ऐसे मत बोलिए, you're embarrassing me." And Salim is like, "नहीं, I completely think that I should have handled differently. I should have said things better on a different manner. I could have salvaged it a lot better." And I feel bad that I did not. And then Javed Akhtar says, "अरे ये तो he's a very nice man and a very decent man."
Why would you do this, dude?
For saying this?
अच्छी खासी story चल रही है, and you just had to bring in the list for some reason.
it
Just
would have
because
gone,
you're telling Javed Akhtar's part of the story.
Yeah, I'm trying to be Javed Akhtar, bro. So you don't have to imagine how he would say it, you know. But he said it like, and he was very emotional. He said like, it's a very decent man to say something like this. Only a
Yeah.
nice person would, or a good man would say something like this. But actually, what it is it lies. The fault lies in both of us. Whatever we accomplished together. Whatever downfalls we had together.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just. The
I have a
reality of it.
question. Do you think this documentary then gets bogged down by the fact that now Salim Khan is the father of one of the biggest controversial movie stars of our time? Javed also has these two.
किसकी बात कर रहे हो आप?
I don't know.
Sohail
He's
Khan.
very prominently. हाँ, Sohail Khan की
Sohail
बात कर रहा हूँ. Then Javed Akhtar also happens
One of the
to,
biggest.
happens to be the father of two very
Successful.
modern successful
Yeah.
filmmakers, and also Javed Akhtar then. After his role as a screenwriter, he becomes a very accomplished lyricist,
Yes.
and also like a social commentator. Like today,
Yeah.
Javed Akhtar talks about a lot of things.
Yeah, 100%.
So then whatever they say, like they cannot talk about the controversial things. Like Salim Khan is also representing Salman Khan, right? So like, in fact, there is a very first thing Salman बोलता है कि मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू दिए पर ये बोलने में मेरी थोड़ी हिचकिचा रहा हूँ क्योंकि कहीं से किसी को वो
And nothing he said can be offensive to anyone. I don't know why he was worried.
नहीं, अगर वो कुछ कह भी दे
Can I
जो
say-
ऑफेंसिव हो किसी को तो कोई ऑफेंस
क्या
ले नहीं
बोलेगा?
सकता.
क्या
Can I
बोलेगा?
say one thing? There is one moment where Salman, ये ट्रेलर में भी था, where Salman ने कहा कि उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया कि अगर किसी को मारना हो तो काम से मारो. I'm like, that's a choice.
Did he? Yeah. Salman sometimes listen to it. Sometimes use that advice.
Smart choice of words. काम से मारो, काम ना देके.
देखो मारना तो है. और तुम्हारे ऊपर है, कैसे मारो? It's
So
basically-
I feel like that then by part 3 it then becomes about their families and how they moved on, right? So then the screenwriting is only one aspect of.
Yeah.
Also another thing, I think Mr. Bachchan should have been
Bro,
used
should
a
have
lot.
been there
Yeah,
more,
yeah, much
dude.
more.
Dude, what
Like
a-
feel like वो
he's quite
आधा
lit-
घंटा दिया
Yeah.
सिर्फ. और वो शोले वाली कहानी भी सबने
Dude,
सुनी हुई है कि वो क्लाइमैक्स रीशूट करना है. पर
हाँ
वो,
bro, वही
नहीं-
मैं
नहीं
कह रहा हूँ.
किया.
कहानियां जो सुनाई ना वो सारी वो थी जो सुनी हुई थी.
सुनी हुई है, हाँ.
बहुत ज्यादा सुनी है वो कहानियां. अब जैसे बहुत फेमस किस्सा है कि धर्मेंद्र ने रेकमेंड किया था अमिताभ को फॉर शोले.
For Sholay, yeah.
राइट.
Okay.
सो ये ऐसा कोई किस्सा बताते जो शायद अब जैसे आपको नहीं पता था ये बात. राइट. शोले इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फिल्म्स ऑफ द
Yeah,
हिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर सिनेमा.
Right,
राइट.
right.
Cinema in general, yeah.
ऐसी कोई स्टोरी इतनी बड़ी फिल्म की भी आपको भी नहीं पता जो आप इतनी क्लोजली फिल्म्स फॉलो करते हो. तो सोचो जो जिन्होंने सिर्फ द लेजेंड ऑफ सलीम जावेद सुना है, उनको शायद ना पता हो जिन्होंने उतनी फिल्म्स एक्सप्लोर नहीं करी हैं. तो ऐसा कोई किस्सा, एक ये किस्सा था जिसमें अमजद खान वाज नॉट द फर्स्ट चॉइस ऑफ
Of course,
गब्बर.
yeah.
डैनी
Yes, of course.
डेंजोंगपा वाज द फर्स्ट चॉइस ऑफ
Oh,
गब्बर.
Danny they didn't say, but they did talk about how they got a hold of
हाँ,
Amjad Khan, right?
वो तो है. द थिंग इज, अब एक और बहुत बड़ी कहानी है कि आधी फिल्म शूट होने के बाद ऑल्सो दे वर नॉट हैप्पी विद अमजद खान. दे वर लाइक कि हमें चेंज करना है, डैनी की डेट्स का वेट करो. अगेन दीज आर ऑल स्टोरीज दैट आई हैव हर्ड.
Right.
नाउ द थिंग इज, थ्रू दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री दे कुड हैव बेसिकली सेड वेदर दे आर ट्रू और नॉट. ये कहा, अब जैसे ये कहानी है अमजद खान वाली की, आधी फिल्म के बाद वो चाहते थे कि अमजद खान को रिप्लेस करके डैनी की डेट्स की वेट करी जाए. अब ये मैंने सुनी सुनाई कहानी है, हो सकता है सच हो सकता है ये उस टाइम की कोई गॉसिप हो जो कैरी ऑन होती हुई आ रही है. बट दिस इज सच अ बिग स्टोरी, डूड. गब्बर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर्स,
Yeah, of course.
was probably about to get replaced by Danny Denzogpa.
Right.
तो इसको तुम अटेस्ट कर देते ना कि ये सच में थी कि ये नहीं थी.
एक वो पार्ट अच्छा था, लेकिन वैसे जावेद अख्तर टॉक्स अबाउट व्हाई ही एंजॉयड राइटिंग गब्बर, बिकॉज लाइक दिस गाय इज फ्री ऑफ मोरालिटी. लाइक बच्चे जब जू में जाते हैं तो शेर के पिंजरे के पास सबसे पहले क्यों जाते
इसको बोल.
हैं? मेरा मिमिक्री अच्छी है.
वो अच्छा कर रहा है.
पैरोडी भी लग रहा है.
सारे
He just looked at me like, इसको क्यों नहीं बोल रहा
इसको
है?
बहनचोद. Have you heard this? So this is a Reddit story.
Okay.
Okay, so again, take it with a grain of salt.
Okay.
But the reason as to the story of why they actually broke up, Salim Javed, is apparently been shared on Reddit and it's been circulated around on articles and whatever, and hearsay and whatever. Apparently, okay, they had like a full-blown hatapai fight in the lobby of like or the corridor of a hotel. Okay. And one of the hotel staff members actually made it public and talked about it in some article. And yeah, it probably like came to blows and shit.
But do we know the reason why?
Must have been something. I don't know. I don't know the reason.
And the reason is you.
Yeah. So I actually don't know the reason. But I've heard that Hatha Bhai.
मेरे को पता नहीं, मतलब the fact that they were together for like
So many
a little over a decade, right?
Yeah, sure.
15 years, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know. I just feel like it must have been a credit thing where it's like I contribute more than you or you contribute more than me. I don't know.
But
Also Javed Akhtar had he himself has admitted that he had problems with alcoholism.
So
at
मुझे
one point.
हो सकता है ये सारे फैक्टर्स देखो कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. It's all speculations here. This is not like something that we are claiming, right?
And even the documentary doesn't really tell us
Yeah,
clearly.
like actually a lot of people would have been looking forward to the documentary
Yeah.
to get an answer to this,
Yes.
that why did like the most iconic duo of
Stop working.
of the industry broke up. So what I have heard is मेरा वाला आंसर थोड़ा नॉर्मल सा है कि जावेद अख्तर को apparently he wanted to write lyrics more. Like he wanted to get into poetry, lyrics, songs. And what I've also heard, जो ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री में they've hinted towards it, that the drive, the anger, the वो क्या कहते हैं, the आग जो होती है अंदर की, वो शायद after a while वो शायद ख़त्म होती जा रही थी. And then instead of giving bad films under Salim Javed, they probably decided to call it quits. And like as they tell it, I think Salman ने अपने bit में बोला है कि when Salim Saab came home saying that I and Javed have split, so he I think suggests that splitting वाला जो decision था, that was more on
Javed's
Javed's
idea, yeah.
Javed
So,
Akhtar's end than Salim.
It's funny that you mentioned that because
Okay.
just literally, yeah, last night. Wow, nice. We actually laughed at that. Genius. I just literally last night I was watching some old interview of Javed and Salim separately, taken separately, but they were both like parallelly asked by the same interviewer कि अमिताभ बच्चन ने अभी hiatus लिया. So you know that it was that time
Right.
when Amitabh Bachchan had taken that 5-year hiatus from films for politics and all. Okay.
Oh, 80s.
Yeah, correct.
80s?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think it was 80s.
I think it was the 80s,
Yeah,
80s or early
अजूबा
90s.
उजूबा के टाइम पे नहीं था ये, या उस टाइम पे वो वापस आया था?
He fought an election, I think, in the 80s, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, it seemed, it had that early 90s, late 80s vibe, the interview did. So in that, the interviewer asks Salim and Javed, कि what do you think? कि अमिताभ जी ने अभी one of the biggest superstars of the industry has taken a hiatus from acting. Actually, he said कि वहाँ पे तो he said कि has moved away from acting because then they didn't know what the hiatus, right? Has moved away from acting. What would you say to that? And Salim has like a very nice nuanced answer, and he says कि you know what I imagine must have happened. Salim says कि what happens is like he must have gotten tired, Amitabh Bachchan, of getting the same roles again and again and again and again and again and again. This angry young man, अच्छा इसमें किसी और को मार दिया, अच्छा this slight other like thing here, but it's basically the same character. कितना ही play कर लेंगे? As an actor, he is a very good actor. He said like again high praise both of these guys.
Yeah.
Amitabh. But he must have gotten that typecasted that he was like कि यार मैं क्यों ही कर रहा हूँ? पैसे तो बना लिए मैंने, okay? But he said कि but you have to understand, you have to always be on the lookout for the right scripts, and you never stop. Like I hope Amitabh ji comes back and continues doing this because I think he's too good an actor to lose for the industry. But I'm pretty certain this must be a part of it, and that's very possible, right?
Yeah.
तो वो मुझे भी
Why
वही लग
would
रहा
have gone into politics
है
and all
कि स्क्रिप्ट्स भी जो थी वो आई थिंक जावेद अख्तर हिंट्स टुवर्ड्स इट कि हम लोग एक ही तरीके का सेम टेम्पलेट पे जा रहा था चीज़ें, वही विजय वही वैसी ही कुछ क्या कहते हैं मैसेज जो विजय के थ्रू वो देना चाहते थे. तो आई थिंक वो भी यही होगा कि एक तरीके की चीज़ कितनी बार.
But the last credited movie is Mr. India, which is not mentioned at all in the movie. Now, I
Yeah,
don't know
which
if they
is also
didn't
good,
get
yeah.
footage or whatever, but even when they're talking about iconic villains, how can you not talk about Mogambo, right?
Yeah, absolutely
And that's
correct.
the other complaint I have is that the timeline of the films is very haphazard.
It
like
is, it is.
the
You're
way
absolutely
they only focus on like the early
The Zanjeer, Diwar,
the
yeah.
70s basically,
Yeah.
right? There was also a lot of work they did in 80s, and if you watch Bharadwaj Rangan's review of Angry Young Man, he points out they wrote 3 super hit Kannada films. He's like, I would
Yeah,
have,
correct,
I would
correct.
have loved
Pretty
to
much.
know how these two men who are so
who don't even speak the
great at
language.
writing Hindi dialogue,
Yeah.
how did they, translate to Kannada? How did they that language, cinematic language and literal language, how did they translate it? He also makes a very good point that the Angry Young Man image then actually led to Rajnikant's rise also, because
Yeah.
Billa was a remake of Don. So it's like all of that doesn't get touched
ब्रो
upon.
लाइक ऑल ये तो सब सारी वो चीजें हैं जो मतलब जो ध्यान से देख रहे हैं उनके लिए डूड. वो लोग काला पत्थर को उतना मेंशन नहीं करते भाई.
Right, yeah.
काला पत्थर तो हैज अमिताभ बच्चन, शशि कपूर, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक फिल्म्स with the most iconic lines, dude.
Dude, there's a story of Shatrughan Sinha. There's some fight scene happening between Amitabh and Shatrughan Sinha in the film, okay, in Kala Patthar. And the story goes that it's these both ka body doubles fighting, right? That's how they would do it,
Yeah.
right? So body doubles fighting, and Amitabh's body double throws Shatrughan's body double to the ground and puts like his leg on the neck of the body double. And Shatru has like a big problem with it. Okay, so he makes like a big scene. So for like 6-7 hours, because Amitabh and Yash Chopra, who was the director of the film, of Kala Patthar, they are like, dude, this scene is great. We absolutely want to keep this in. And Shatru goes, no, ये तो नहीं हो सकता, ये तो नहीं हो सकता. Because अगर, so the scene progresses in the manner के Shashi comes and breaks the fight off.
Stops the fight, yeah.
Stops the fight. So he's like, Shatrughan says कि अगर ये कर दिया तो जब तक शशि आएगा तब तक मैं तो मर ही जाऊंगा मेरे कैरेक्टर. तो it doesn't make sense. So he held his ground so much, and it's like a very interesting story. They could have talked about this also and they didn't.
ब्रो बहुत कह रहा हूँ, बहुत सारी चीजें थी जिनके बारे में मेंशन कर. ब्रो जैसे काला पत्थर, दैट डायलॉग, मेरी ताश के 53वें पत्ते, तीसरे बादशाह हम हैं. डूड, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा वाज सो आइकॉनिक, एपिक इन द फिल्म. उसके बाइट्स क्यों नहीं थे?
There's like one bite, probably
One bite.
1 or 2 from
Yeah,
Shatrughan.
He was the Salman Khan of romantic.
Exactly. Exactly what that was going to be my sentence, dude. So what do you guys like more, Romantics or Angry Young Man?
So मुझे लगा रोमांटिक्स और एंग्री यंग मैन दोनों सेम ही साइड ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट्री मेकिंग पे थे. आई थिंक देयर वाज नो.
So that will always be the case if the documentary is coming from
The production house.
production
the
house,
people who
yeah,
are being,
people,
who are yeah.
Children of
But still, I would say I slightly prefer the romantic.
Of
because,
course, of course.
Because
if
I
you compare the two.
जैसे मैंने बोला कि मुझे इसमें कमी लगी कि वो film by film नहीं ले जा रहा. I think
Yeah.
romantics little bit does that. It talks about the phases of
phases
Yash
by
Raj.
phase. Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
and Yash Chopra's
also like
contribution.
I think talking about Snehal and your point about hearing stories I didn't know before. I think romantics had a lot more of that.
And
For sure.
it had Aditya Chopra
आदित्य चोपड़ा
talking.
जिसने चेहरा नहीं दिखाया कभी जिंदगी में bro.
Which is the first.
Yeah, dude.
One last complaint I have against Angry Young, which by the way is a documentary we are recommending. Please watch
Absolutely.
it. if
Yes,
you
please
haven't.
watch it.
It's a great
वो होता है
time.
ना कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा दुख उनसे होता है जिनसे आपको सबसे ज्यादा उम्मीद होती है.
Yeah.
Like Urfi's show.
Yeah.
about-
this is-
फॉलो करो यार.
But towards the end, when they're talking about that bit where people are talking about how writers, since Salim Javed have not gotten the credit, they cut to Sriram Raghavan, Dibakar Banerjee, Varun Grover. Varun Grover comes early एक बारी.
Yeah.
पर मैं कहता हूँ तुमने श्रीराम राघवन और दीपाकर बैनर्जी से अगर इंटरव्यू लिया है तो वो सिर्फ इतने
तो
पार्ट
इतना
के
सा
लिए
ही
क्यों
क्यों
आया?
लिया
He just
है?
says
Exactly.
that I've seen it
Sriram
26
Raghavan
times.
is just
That's
there
it.
to say मैंने 26 बार
Right,
देखी
absolutely
film.
right, you're absolutely right, yeah.
Juhi Chaturvedi, who's
Yeah.
one of the prime.
To that point, even Abhishek and Shweta Bachchan, they could have talked so much more about
I
growing
didn't
up.
understand why they were in.
Yeah,
the
absolutely. Like with the part, what they said, they didn't have to be in it.
Yeah.
But they could have offered a great perspective of what's it like growing up with in the whatever 70s and 80s with this superstar
as-
of a
as
guy.
with
Amitabh.
angry young
That's-
man as their
Yeah.
dad,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, true.
You know, also what I would like to see in the documentary is interactions between Abhishek and Shweta and Farhan and Zoya and Salman. Just to understand their dynamic more in the
Exactly.
documentary
So,
because it's a
बोला-
family that grew up together.
I think सलमान और अरबाज ने बोला एक्चुअली कि a one good thing that we thought that came out of the split was that we got our dad back.
Yeah,
ठीक है, so ऐसे elements, ऐसे emotional human elements I was looking forward to, like, you know,
Agreed.
being given in the documentary. But I think for a movie buff, it's always great to listen to stories about Diwar,
Yeah.
Zanjeer. By the way, Zanjeer, the film that they talk about the most,
Yeah.
because that actually started the angry young man वाला image. But then again, उसके बाद जैसे मैंने बोला काला पत्थर फिल्म आई, उन्होंने मुझे लगा शोले को भी उतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दिया फिल्म में, मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट्री में जितना वो और दे सकते थे. डूड, डीडीएल से पहले दैट वाज द लॉन्गेस्ट रनिंग फिल्म इन थिएटर्स, शोले. सो या आई थिंक ये सारी कहानियां हमें, वी आर रिकमेंडिंग इट बिकॉज इफ यू आर अ फिल्म बफ, you will always be wanting to listen to more and more and more such stories, right?
Absolutely.
Also, Salim and Javed are great people to listen to.
Yeah.
Fucking intelligent people. What
Super
a
intelligent.
great sense of humor.
Absolutely,
They are so
dude.
funny.
Agreed.
और
Absolutely
ऊपर से जब sense of humor intelligence के साथ मिल जाता है ना, तो वो और ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you guys.
Salim Khan is 89, but
Yeah.
there's that one shot in the movie where the director asks him to पसीना पोंछ लीजिए अपने माथे से, और वो पोंछते हुए कहते हैं कि तकदीर है ना, मिट ना
तकदीर
जाए.
है, मिट ना.
क्या
Bro,
sharp
dude,
The
है
very
यार.
first sentence of the documentary is कि इस documentary से तो I'm expecting कि मेरे को
हॉलीवुड से कॉल आ जाना चाहिए.
and then he goes into, I was a big James Dean fan. I'm like,
Yeah.
amazing. Immediately captivating.
Yeah.
And then he was like, oh, then Devdas released, and I was like, oh, but should I pick Devdas or should I pick James Dean? I'm like, yeah, sure, bro. That's amazing. What a way to start.
Yeah.
That imagery, the one you mentioned of Javed Akhtar talking about his struggle days,
Yeah.
and then now going to a 5-star and then affording the fucking fanciest of
Yes.
breakfasts,
Yeah,
you know, with toast and croissants and all that fancy things that he's mentioning, and then he tears up about के, and then मैं सोचता हूँ, आज भी सोचता हूँ कि तेरी ये औकात है.
कि ये
मेरा
मेरा
लगता है I don't
breakfast
deserve
नहीं,
this
किसी
thing.
और का है.
Yeah.
किसी और के हिस्से का नाश्ता
Gives me
करना.
chills, dude. Chills.
Yeah.
That is such a human
For
moment.
sure, there are so many good points of the
I'm-
documentary.
dude, that
Yeah.
I feel like I'm never gonna forget that image
Yeah, dude.
of Javed Akhtar saying this and then tearing up while saying it.
And you know, that's the beauty of listening to people who've actually come from like absolute
हाँ,
dirt.
मैं वही सोच रहा था.
Like nowhere, yeah.
आज से 25 साल बाद अनन्या पांडे क्या बोले?
Sure, we can
Sorry,
try.
no shade on अनन्या पांडे. Like,
बोलेगी call me bae.
You don't know, man. You don't know.
yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, and also it should have given little more attention to screenwriters talking about
Yeah.
screenwriting.
Again, they did like 5 minutes of it at the end. That was, I know, I
should
agree.
have been little more. But worth watching.
Worth watching,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
What was-
उसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में या उसके ट्रेलर अनाउंसमेंट में आई थिंक सलीम जावेद वर सिटिंग टुगेदर एंड जावेद अख्तर वाज लाइक कि मैं तो इनको कहता हूँ कि एक और फिल्म लिखी डालते हैं. Dude, imagine if they actually come back together and write a film. So also just imagine this scenario. Farhan Akhtar and Salman Khan can go to Salim Javed wherever they want
Yeah,
for
true.
their
That's
input
true.
in a film,
That's true.
dude.
And still Salman makes these films. किसी का भाई किसी के जान, right?
And you know, so I think कौन सी फिल्म थी पता नहीं जिसमें सलमान अरबाज और सोहेल तीनों थे. कौन सी फिल्म है
हेलो
वो?
ब्रदर.
I think Hello, जिसमें सलमान dies.
Salman, Arbaz and Sohail are there.
Yeah. So I think it's Hello Brother. You're right.
Hello
तो
Brother में
उसमें
सोहेल
हेलो
कहाँ
ब्रदर
है?
में कोई मरता नहीं है लेकिन.
और सोहेल कहाँ है? I don't remember सोहेल.
वो
नहीं है.
And also, so there's this one film जिसमें सलमान dies in the in the interval.
Okay.
ठीक है. So
वो
I think
Hello Brother में मरता तो है.
ये स्टोरी उन्होंने कपिल में सुनाई थी and they were talking about this कि you can always go back to Salim Khan as for inputs, and he says कि उसके अंदर पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम था? सलमान को इंटरवल में मार दिया, लोगों को अरबाज और सोहेल को नहीं देखा. वो पिक्चर देखने आया सलमान खान के लिए.
So real, dude. That is so real. Coming to that point again, sorry, I was watching that interview I was telling you about with
Yeah.
Farah Khan, and this comes about this you guys, Salman, you are the son of Salim.
Yes.
Do you go to him for like script advice and shit? So the Salim told the story that sometimes what would happen is that Sohail or Arbaz are directing or something, and they're stuck somewhere in the screenplay. Okay, and so they would just call up dad and like, dad, तो ऐसा scene है. This is the premise. This is what was happening in the scene. How should we go about it, or what should we do? We're stuck kind of here. And Salim would always be like, ठीक है, तूने बता दिया, call me back in 30 minutes, I'll write something down and tell you. And they would call back in 30 minutes, and he would always have like the perfect way to move forward or something.
Dude, there's a thing now where Javed Akhtar says कि दीवार is considered the perfect screenplay. हमने
Yeah.
15 दिन में लिखी.
15 दिन में
अरे
लिख दिया
भाई.
था.
That is again, dude.
Also,
You know,
this
wow.
documentary does something very rare. It catches Jaya Bachchan in a good mood.
You're right.
Oh, actually,
That's true.
This again one point that I read somewhere that जो हमने बात भी करेगी क्योंकि उनके खुद के प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस ने बनाया तो why would they touch upon the grey areas? But there are only two people who actually talk about their bratty phase.
Hani Rani and
Hani
Jaya
Rani
Bachchan.
and Jaya
Bachchan,
Bachchan.
yeah, correct.
And
Hani
like
Rani is amazing in this.
Yes, she's great. And Jaya Bachchan
Haryana is great.
is
Jaya Bachchan.
Shabana also features,
she's
yeah,
also great. But they are the only two people that talk about their bratty phase, and nobody else does, which I think was such a missed opportunity. Like you can talk about the flamboyant ways of doing
Correct,
things,
absolutely, yeah.
जैसे उन्होंने वो stencil लेके
Stencil
वो
वगैरह,
किया वो, but वो खुद मानते हैं कि हम 7वें आसमान पे चढ़ गए थे.
एक वो भी लगा ना, फरा कहती है आज मैं फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उड़ाता. Something the master said to our producer.
Exactly.
So like they also said कि asking for that 1 lakh more,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
highest that any writer has ever been paid. And they had one more thing which I'm forgetting.
Bro, न्यूज़पेपर में वो देना कि ये पिक्चर कमाएगी,
शोले
हाँ,
तो
ये
hit
पिक्चर
होगी.
कमाएगी.
Again, that
Dude,
what
so like
they-
all these
the
things
audacity,
and
dude,
so
wow.
these are all incidents. इनके
Yeah.
पीछे की स्टोरीज होंगी ना, dude.
Yeah, correct.
तो वो भी चीज एक टच अपॉन कर सकते थे, बहुत मजा आता. एट दिस पॉइंट कोई उनको घमंडी की तरह ना देखता.
Yeah.
वो स्टोरी सुन के मजा आता. तो एक वो चीज. और सेकंड पार्ट गाइस, सेकंड पार्ट एंग्री यंग मेन टू.
Angry young men too. This is angry old men now.
Angry young men to be.
But yeah, absolutely. Just watch it. You'll
Yeah,
have
yeah.
a great time.
Definitely
It's
watch it.
It's a good watch.
Like if
It's
you
fun,
can
yeah.
take out time after watching Urfi's show, definitely watch Angry
like
Young
Abbas
Man.
did, yeah.
Like Abbas did. He first watched Follow कर लो यार.
Bullshit, I
And
saw
he
Angry
saw
Young Man
Angry
first.
Young
Sure,
Man.
Abbas, sure you did. We know you couldn't
Yeah.
wait for Urfi's show to be out.
12 बजे show आया and he was
12:01 पे खत्म भी कर लिया आवाज ने. Wow.
but yes,
That-
definitely watch it.
I think
yes.
we've covered
Yeah,
documentary quite
more
a lot.
everything.
मैं पता है मूवीज के बारे में सोच कर आया था कि इस मूवी के बारे में बात करें, उसमें भी बात करेंगे. मूवी के बारे में बात ही नहीं करी हमने.
Yeah.
खो ही गए सलीम
Okay,
जावेद की
let's
कहानियों में.
close this. What was the highlight? Your highlight from this documentary? Like one moment that you remember.
Bro, that moment जब
Javed Akhtar.
Tears up. for
Javed
sure.
Akhtar tears up.
This stencil thing was amazing to me. I did not know
Yeah.
that also.
Oh,
I
you
did not
did
know
not
the
know
story. This was this other thing, dude. There were like quite a few moments, but the stencil thing really stood out. Asking for 1 lakh more than
Yeah.
the lead stood out
Yeah,
so much.
so much,
That
yes.
is because again unheard of. I hope writers get more credit. It makes you feel for writers way more. This
But
documentary does.
I would want in the future someone to actually do like a proper breakdown of the Salim Javed
Salim
films.
Javed,
Hopefully,
yes.
while they're still with us. And secondly, we need an Angry Young Man documentary also, like that phase of Amitabh Bachchan.
I think
we
for
Not
sure
just,
they-
right?
वो
Maybe
आएगा.
that phase of films, not just some, because they were Angry Young Men. They were
Sure,
more than
but,
Amitabh Bachchan.
हाँ.
मेरा
But he
मेरा
became
मेरा
that,
एक वो है क्या कहते हैं जितनी मैं फिल्म्स देखता हूँ मैं तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा आप लोग के साथ में पॉडकास्ट इसलिए ही हम लोग कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम ऐसे लोग हैं जो रैंडमली बैठ के इंटरव्यूज देख रहे हैं
Right.
सारी दुनिया नहीं देख रही
Yeah, that's
है
true.
सो एक चीज जो मैंने नोटिस करी है इज कि हो सकता है बहुत ही प्रेवलेंट चीज हो बट मुझे बाद में यूरेका मोमेंट हुआ हो कि बॉलीवुड के भी या हिंदी सिनेमा के भी एक ट्रेंड ब्रेकर आता ही आता है विद इन सम इयर्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग द सेम ट्रेंड ठीक है जैसे राजेश खन्ना का क्यूट लवर बॉय चल रहा था अदाएं दिखाना और ये और वो चल रहा था हिट था सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था देन अचानक से ब्रेक करने के लिए एक एंग्री यंग मैन आता है
Correct.
कुछ साल एंग्री यंग मैन चलता है सब बढ़िया चल रहा है फिर अचानक से एक सॉफ्ट बॉय शाहरुख खान आता है ठीक है सो आई थिंक ये
उसके बीच में ऐसे अनिल जैकी ये सब भी
सो
थे.
अगेन अनिल
संजू.
ये मैं
Were like taking off.
सुपरस्टार्स
Correct.
सुपरस्टार्स
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
सो आई थिंक आपको क्या लगता है कि बॉलीवुड को या हिंदी सिनेमा को अभी एक ऐसा ब्रेक की जरूरत है कि एक ट्रेंड ब्रेक हो और एक ऐसा ट्रेंड आए जो साला अगले 10 साल तक धमाल मचा दे
I think, yeah, go ahead.
I think now you need that another version of an angry young man type of a character. to
जिस
come
तरीके
up.
से हमारे सोशो पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियोज चल रहे हैं
हाँ, इसीलिए
आई थिंक या मैं आई वांटेड टू कम टू दैट आई थिंक
Yeah.
यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही मेजर स्ट्रॉन्ग मतलब विजय 2.0 आने की बहुत मेजर
जरूरत
जरूरत
है.
लग रही है
I think
don't
the,
know.
the thing is, I feel that trends change almost every year, every 2 years already now. It's such a fast moving world.
That's what, yeah, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अभी हम लोग like after the phenomenon of Shahrukh Khan, as he also says कि I'm the last of the stars, and I think that's why it makes so much more sense because after the Shahrukh wave, there has not been a wave.
Sure, but again, then we get into the idea of Shahrukh calls himself, and he probably is also the last superstar because that एक English में word है यार उसके लिए monoculture, where the thing is because of social media and because of the fact that everything is so easily available today, culture has dispersed. Now everybody has their own little niche of interest that they can cater to, whereas back then till the early 2000s. Shah Rukh being a superstar was like because everybody would rush to watch a Shah Rukh Khan film.
You're right. You're
Even
right.
till today, that is. I don't see a Ranveer Singh or a Ranbir Kapoor
For
or a Nawazuddin
sure,
Siddiqui
for sure,
have that hold.
100%.
So-
That's why I'm
Fair enough.
asking कि do we need another like such
Can I
a
give? Can I
strong
make
wave?
this is a weird analogy, but probably today for today that version would be like a Bhuvan Bam. For me, like that monoculture where they are online on your devices all the time. Bhuvan Bam is the name that's coming on top of my
समझ
head.
गया
But someone like that, someone like an influencer which gets to such an the reason they're called influencers is because they're literally
They can
influencing
actually influence
the
in a good
people
way.
who are
Yeah.
watching the thing on their devices. So I don't know if that next big movement will come from cinema. I hope it does, but the nature of cinema and film has changed.
अभी अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने आफ्टर स्त्री 2 एक इंटरव्यू दिया वेर ही सेज कि सो देयर इज दिस कंप्लेंट यू नो गोइंग अराउंड इन एक्टर्स दैट सो आप इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को एक्टर्स
Correct,
की
हाँ,
तरह
seen
क्यों
सुचारिता के
साथ,
वो कर रहे हो,
yeah,
सुचारिता के साथ तो ही सेज इज वेरी वेरी लॉजिकल थिंग एक्चुअली ही सेज कि इन्फ्लुएंसर एक्टर बन रहे हैं वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आपको एक्टिंग आती है आप बनो एक्टर ठीक है आओ बिल्कुल करो लेकिन प्रॉब्लम तब आती है जब कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर टॉप
जिसके
3 में
follower,
से
हाँ।
कहता है कि 2 वाला बेटर है बट तीसरे नंबर वाले के फॉलोअर ज्यादा तो इसको ले लेते हैं so yeah I really hope that there is a Vijay 2.0 sometime soon because I think the industry desperately needs that.
I would take back. It's not Bhuvan Bam. It's Dhruv Rathi, guys. He's the.
Yeah. also, it's very saddening to hear that casting directors are doing that because from the three of us, only Abbas will get rolled. Which is not.
I'm plugging Urfi Jha. Whose show is literally called Follow Kar Lo Yaar.
God damn it, man.
मेरे तो 7 फॉलोअर कम हो गए guys.
He's actually losing acting world, guys.
Losing acting world, dude, at this point. भाई पता है कितनी बार क्या होता है, मैं ऑडिशन दूंगा, शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाऊंगा, ठीक है, मैसेज आ जाएगा
तूने
कि
बताया
भाई लॉक योर डेट्स, ये वो कर लो, और फिर बोलेंगे इंस्टाग्राम लिंक भेज दो, एंड आई एम लाइक गया बैच।
बेसिकली हम एपिसोड वैसे एंड
Again,
कर
how
रहे हैं.
fuck all is that?
That's all.
That happened to me also.
We're
but yeah.
ending the episode the way we started it. Subscribe करो guys.
सब्सक्राइब
सालो,
यस प्लीज डूड, प्लीज भी
यार, so that we can get other work.
Who knows? One of us is Vijay 2.0.
Yeah,
You
who
never
knows?
know.
Yeah, you
The
never
next
know.
superstar and Shah Rukh Khan 2.0 also. Who knows? Anything can happen.
But
All right,
yes.
that I think concludes our episode on Salim Javed
yes.
and
I really wanted to talk about
and
Zanjeer, but
Bring him in.
Next podcast.
Yes, next
Yeah, yeah.
part.
But
Just
tell us
like-
your favorite Salim Javed films or films from the 70s.
Oh, what
or
is your
Amitabh.
favorite Salim Javed? इतना तो पूछ ही सकता हूँ.
See, दिल के करीब मेरे Mr. India because that's more close to my
Yeah.
this thing. But we did an episode with you on Diwar
Diwar,
for Has
yes.
It Aged Well.
And with me, which was Shan.
Was Shan also a Salim Javed
Yes,
film?
yes,
Yes.
yes.
That's Salim Shan is for me, by the way.
But favorite, I would probably say Diwar.
Diwar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would also say Diwar. But my very close second is Kala Patthar.
Really?
I really like Kala Patthar. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है.
Man,
यार वो ऐसा होगा ना, हम अभी शोले देखेंगे तो हमको लगेगा शोले
ये
बेस्ट
बात
है,
भी सही
अभी
है,
जंजीर
ये
देखेंगे
भी
तो
सही है,
जंजीर
जंजीर-
बेस्ट है.
Man,
ये भी
actually, the
सही
thing
है.
is, Sholay still is great as a film. If you were to watch it today, it's India's only proper Western that we have.
Yeah.
And I think, but my favorite will always remain Salim Javed's Shan, dude.
Shan,
The thing with me, I've realized, is that movies that don't do that well,
Yeah,
okay, I in my mind, I like the underdog, right? So I end up like relating to them more or liking them more. It happens to me very often. So
ये राज कपूर
that's
का
a
एक
huge
कोट
reason.
है ना, जब मेरा नाम जोकर नहीं चली थी तो किसी ने उसको पूछा था तो राज कपूर ने कहा था कि देखिए आपकी जो हर फिल्म जो होती है वो एक मेरे बच्चे की तरह
बच्चे
होती
की
है.
तरह है, हाँ.
वो बच्चे जिनको सक्सेस मिल जाती है, जो तरक्की कर लेते हैं, वो तो आगे निकल जाते हैं.
Correct, exactly.
वो
That's very
बच्चे
good
जो थोड़ा पीछे रह जाते हैं उनको और प्यार की
और
जरूरत
प्यार
है. इसलिए
Man,
So,
that's
yeah.
why my mom
Good
loves
point
me so
I'm trying to
much. Damn it.
tell us how you like the new setup, guys. It's our new studio.
हाँ, ये पता है क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो.
We have to,
हमें घरों में जाके
guys,
रिकॉर्ड करना
we
पड़ रहा है.
keep moving down on studio size.
Next
पता
week
है?
तीनों एक couch पे होंगे.
couch पे बैठे होंगे.
एक mic pass कर रहे हैं.
पता है मुझे साउथ में स्टूडियो ढूंढना है, मेरे बजट में नहीं आ रहा. 2 दिन से साउथ में स्टूडियो ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं.
If anyone has a studio which is with affordable rates that we can pay,
Yes, yes.
we can talk to you about it.
अगर आप
Please let us
मुंबई
know.
से हो और आप जानते हो टाउन में कोई स्टूडियो है तो सीलिंग के उस तरफ एक दुनिया है जहाँ पे
अमीर लोग
रहते हैं और इम्तियाज अली के हीरो हीरोइन
Yes.
मिलते हैं.
So let us know that. Let us know your favorite moments from the
Yes.
Salim Javed documentary. Your
Yes.
favorite movie of Salim Javed's. What do you think of Khel Khel Mein? What do you think of Follow Kar Lo Yaar?
हाँ, and your favorite episode of Follow कर लो.
That's only for Abbas. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
mark
Please
Abbas.
उसको DM करना, comment मत करना.
You know, like I love this. So usually Abbas gets trolled for like Maharaja not liking, Ranjit
Yeah.
not
Now
liking.
he's gonna get
Now he's gonna get long
liking
essays
something.
about how can you like fucking.
भाई आप लोग का जो वो गेस्ट वाला एपिसोड है उस पे मैं रिफ्रेश किया, नीचे 2 कमेंट्स, हम लोग एक और कमेंट है,
हाँ.
वो मैंने कमेंट देखा,
इतना
वो
चिट्ठा.
पैराग्राफ,
चिट्ठा लगा
like
अंदर.
we have
Again-
got one serious listener.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes,
We love
you've got more likes than our episode on the comment.
Yeah.
तुम लोग
Really?
के-
No,
Oh,
I was
that's
kidding,
that would have
dude.
been hilarious.
तुम लोगों के स्त्री 2 के रिव्यू पे भी किसी ने लिखा है मिस्टर अब्बास नेगेटिविटी.
एक ने लिखा है कि अब्बास किधर है, नीचे उसने एक रिप्लाई में किसने लिखा है कि वो फिगर आउट कर रहा है कि अनुराग कश्यप को दुख सिर्फ बेटी के जानने में क्यों हुआ था.
A rhetorical question. Alright, cool. That was a very fun episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed
Wow,
all.
इधर दर्द कर रहा है मेरे.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you're liking and enjoying all the content we're putting on this channel.
Yes.
Please follow Abbas on Instagram, AbbasMomin88, Antriksh Takkar at Antriksh T, and Snehil Aneja.
Snehil. Please do
Yeah.
follow and subscribe to the channel. Drop a घंटा का press भी, चलो आप बोल लो
मैं
पहले.
कह रहा हूँ कि if you are one of those few people who prefers to listen to audio podcasts, we are also available on Spotify,
Oh,
yes.
Apple Podcasts, and all the major podcasting platforms.
Yeah.
The episode for audio maybe drops a little late.
एक 2 दिन लेट आ जाता है, कोई पर आ जाता है for
But
sure.
you know, if I can say, okay, if you don't mind, as a listener, and we love you guys so much.
Yes.
We would prefer it if you can bring yourself to it. Watch us on YouTube first. it's nothing else. We love Spotify. We love being on all these platforms.
Yes,
but
yes.
YouTube right now is a little bit more monetizable than Spotify or these other platforms.
Yes.
Because video has somehow taken over the podcast game.
Yeah.
As you guys must be noticing all over your recommended feeds in
सब
podcasting.
पॉडकास्ट की रील्स आते हैं भाई Instagram पे मुझे for some reason.
वही है.
Yeah.
So that's just it. That's just the reason you will see us concentrating a little bit more on YouTube, than on these other platforms.
Yeah.
Nothing against these platforms, but YouTube अब बन गया तो बन गया, you know क्या करें.
Yes. All right.
ठीक है.
Thank you
That brings
guys.
us in.
See
Thank
you
you.
again next week.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Let us
Hopefully
know.
all of us in person again and
Yeah.
nobody on Zoom
Yeah.
are looking for studios and stuff
Correct.
like that.
Let us know what you think of this setup though.
Yeah.
मेरा
अगर
घर है,
manageable है तो.
अच्छी चीज़ बोलना है. I have to live here. Thank you so much guys.
Yes.
See you again next week. Bye.